Hi, welcome everybody in this one more another interesting video. This time we are going to see DC flasher which can operate up to maximum power of 85 watt. It operates at 12.8 volt and as you can see two loads can be connected to it of 10 watt. Let's see, without wasting time, let's see inside this. We will start cut it from here. I will zoom it, which can imagine it very nicely. Let's cut it from this side. Easy to remove. I think it will not take too much work. Instead of using cutter, I will use this screwdriver. A tough one, not easy. Oops. I have popped this out. Sorry for that. Hey, this is a very tiny circuit. I thought it should be a lot of things inside this, but it is a surprise. Not zooming. Wait a minute. Good. Every circuit is protected with the glue. As you can see, resin is applied on this black resin. From this side it is like this. You can see. And from this side, all circuit capacitor circuit. So main component is here capacitor, because capacitor can discharge easily and can give lot of support to load. Very simple. Let's go and deeper inside. This is just cover for protection. Let's see, we can see something inside this. I'm trying to open this. Struggling with the camera, man. Now I think you can see easily. Good. Very hard. Not possible. It's glued, all over glued. This is now broken. From this side it is opening. Look, it is connected to a circuit from downside. I have opened it as it is. There is nothing, just two terminals over here and here, and nothing. I will explain the components from this to you. Capacitors to store charge, and diode circuit, and this is a very main component. This is a voltage regulator which regulates the voltage that is up to 12 volt. It will give constant 12 volt supply, and these two capacitor and this RLC circuit diodes will give the continued power supply of current. So that is this today's video will be so boring. I thought there will be some interesting inside this, but nothing like interesting. So stay tuned with this channel and comment you want some extra informative videos or any other component teardown. Stay connected. Like, share, subscribe. If you don't like this video, and if you like this video, stay subscribed.